All right, this is question number 16. Remember, we're working through the 11 plus exam past questions, all right? And this is about sequence, right? So we have the sequence given to us, sequence A, which is 5, 8, and 11. And we're also told that the rule is to add 3 each time, okay? So that means this is 5 plus 3, 8, plus 3, 11. All right, so the first term, second term, and the third term, and it continues like that. So in this question, we're asked, what would be the 10th term in the sequence? All right, what would be the 10th term? Okay, you could just continue adding 3, but that means you have to do it as fast as possible. All right, but if you have to work faster, or let's say you have a bigger 10th position you have to look for, that means you can't just keep adding 3. That will take the whole of your time. Okay, so what's best is for you to write the nth term rule. All right, nth term rule. Now we're told that you add 3 each time. So to write the rule, you start with that. Since you're adding 3 each time, so you're going to do 3 times n. All right, which is the nth term, right? So you check with the first term. If you do 3, if n is 1 for the first term, that's 3 times 1, 3. What adjustment would you need to do to 3 to make it 5? You have to add 2 to it. So the nth rule here will be 3n plus 2. All right? I believe that is clear. All right? There are other ways you can get your nth term, but I believe this is very simple. So what do? You check the interval. So here it's going in 3s, right? So you just multiply that 3 by n, all right? And then check with the first term. For the first term, n is 1. Second term, n is 2. Third term, n is 3. Here, n is 10, all right? So you check with the first term, n is 1. So that will be 3 times 1. That's 3. And then you look at what you can do to 3 to make it 5. So you have to add 2. So the nth rule is 3n plus 2. You can confirm with the other term. So if you do 3 times 2 in the second term, 3 times 2, 6, then plus 2, that will give you 8. 3 times 3 in the third term will be 9. 9 plus 2, 11, right? Okay, so we have the nth rule. So for this particular term, we're going to do 3 times 10, all right? And then we add 2 to our answer. So 3 times 10 is 30, and 30 plus 2 is 32. So the 10th term of this sequence is 32. Okay, remember how you find your nth rule. And like I said, if you think adding the 3s is faster for you, go ahead, because you're writing an exam that is timed. So speed and accuracy is important. So let's try add 3 and see, but I won't recommend that. This is the third term already, so the fourth will be 11 plus 3, that will be 14. The fifth term will be 14 plus 3, that will be 17. The sixth term will be 17 plus 3, 20. Seventh term, 23. Eighth term will be 26. Ninth term will be 29, and the 10th term, that's 29 plus 3, that is 32. So if you keep adding the 3, you will also get the answer. So if that is faster for you, it's good. But you need to learn this method, how to find the nth term rule. In case you're given a bigger number of terms to find, imagine you have to find the 90th term. Oh, that's going to take almost a whole day. All right, so please take note of that. Finding the nth term, you can go over the video and see how I found the nth term rule, or you go to my page too. I've made videos on how to find the nth term rule. All right, thank you. Bye.